What's up guys, Merflex here. I am taking a look at the Season X Fortnite Battle Pass information for what we can expect from this season. Last season was kind of bogus on Season 9. I didn't really like it that much, but let's take a look at what we got here. You'll see I've already actually gotten it. I love the background, Season X. I think that's fantastic. So just to start here, we are getting the Catalyst skin, which turns into a female version of Drifter. For those of you that did not play this game back in the day when it first came out, when Drifter was available, this is a fantastic one. I think it was Season 6. I personally love this one way more. I'm a bigger fan of the female skins just because of just how they look, how much they're smaller than the male skins in my opinion. But yeah, so we got about 12 different variants of this skin, which is really nice. Last season, I think the first skin you get only had 2, and that was the chicken, which was BS. So yeah, we've got some pretty cool things to look forward to. I love the lightning. And then we got X-Lord, which I personally, this is actually one of the male skins I actually really do like. I think that it looks pretty legit, and I love the variants of it, like how it changes from that to like some kind of like street warrior, kind of looks like Mad Max style, which I think is dope. I love that they put tattoo work on it too. I think that a lot of people will like that. So yeah, I'm actually really excited about the first 2 skins on this one. The last one, I didn't even really like either of the skins. I thought they were just like cop outs. So we got a popcorn on number 6 for a contrail. We got a junk bucket, season 6. Let's see which one I'm looking forward to here. Cosmic cleavers are all right. That one's okay. I like the Rift lightning drop. I think this contrail looks sick. I'm excited about tilted technique. This is kind of a play on the other skin that does the spray paint work. I can't remember the name of it, but this one actually looks pretty dope, and I like that they have like 6 different variants of it. Epic's doing a really good job of changing that up and giving you your money's worth on that. You get Kitsune, which is a pet, which I think is a play off of one of the older, I can't even remember the name of the series, but like an anime series. I think it looks really legit though. This is pretty cool, the spray sail. I like this one for a glider. I think that goes really good in alignment with the spray paint one. Jaywalking. I think that this is gonna be pretty dope. I like that. You got bottle flip, spiked satchel, that's okay. I think that'll work for a lot of skins though. Oh, there's actually 4 variants of this one as well. You got the master mix here. You got the beat drop. You got Kitsune snowstorm. Blowing bubbles. I think that one's kind of turdish, but whatever. You got Yonder. I like this one. I think this one's gonna be sick. I actually missed the first time I got that, so this is gonna be lit. What is up, Basic? Welcome to the chat, man. How'd you get? You get some sleep, dude? We got Yonder Unmasked, which I personally love the cape, like the coat that does that. We got the Sparkle Scythe. That one's okay. I like that. Stride. I like that they're making these a lot more transversal so you can move forward with them. The overlay, that's okay. Starshot, not a fan of the capes, but that one's okay. I like Sparkle, the Sparkle Supreme. I'm glad they put that in. You got Pixel Pilot. You just woke up, man? Nice. I'm just going through what the Battle Pass has right now. I think this emote's alright. This one's pretty cool. I think a lot of people will like that. Celestial, that's a cool drop. We got Eternal Voyager. This one is pretty sick. So the Dark Voyager, like on steroids. I think this one looks way better. I love the school aspect of it. I'm excited about that one. And you got this one too, which I think is cool. I love that they're putting in a legendary glider in this one, Steel Wing. So this one's gonna be pretty dope too. And then you got the Crown, which I think a lot of people are gonna probably wear that. And then the Ultimate Knight. I'm actually not a huge fan of what they're doing with the end of this. I have played a game yet, Basic. I have. There is robots, like you said. Oh, okay. So this is like a ploy off the Red Knight, essentially. Yep, totally is. They got a Dragon Crest shield. My biggest problem with the tier 100 skin is that it's big. It's really bulky. I just don't like that. So if you want to see all the rewards, what's really cool about this one is they actually show it all in alignment with the levels you get, and they separate them basically by the skin, the back bling, Oh, I love this. The harvesting tools, and then the gliders, contrails, and then some of the other basic stuff. I will say, like, for like the skin level, like compared to last season, A plus, dude. Like A plus. I love these skins. I never was around for the originals, so I don't have the OGs, and I personally think these are better than them. The back bling, I think, it's all right. I would say I would give it like a C. Nothing like really special here. The harvesting tools, I would definitely say A plus. I'm excited about the fang saws. I love the scepter. I think that's dope. Love the renegade rollers, and I love the sparkle scythe. Not really a fan of this one or the vanquisher, but the vanquisher might be nice for basic skins. Work with quite a few of them. And then gliders, you know, honestly, I'm gonna have to say B. The only one I really like is the steel wing. And then the contrails, I'll give it an A. This one, I like the rift lightning. I like the beat drop. I like the overlay. I love the celestial. I think that's sick. Popcorn, not so much. It's kind of bogus. But the emotes, I would have to say D, man. Like, ugh. That one's cool and all, but you know what? I'll bump it up to a C. I'll give it a C because of the breakneck, because I think that one's cool. So I'm excited, guys. So yeah, I just wanted to record a session here and just let you guys know what to expect from season 10. I'll go ahead and upload this here. If you guys want to follow me, it's twitch.tv/murflex, MURRFLEX. Make sure to check it out. The link will be in the description so you guys can check out the gameplay. Follow me along the story of getting better, going from basic to extra. So thanks again, guys. I hope you guys have a great day.